Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This session is about cooking for part 1 of IELTS speaking test. Alright, let's begin. If the examiner asks you who normally does the cooking in your home, you can start by saying, well, my mother normally does the cooking in our house. Having said that, she's an amazing cook or she's a magnificent cook, whatever. I always compliment her and inspire her to start a restaurant in the city, and she always loves hearing this. You can also add by saying like my elder sister. Sometimes my elder sister say Sadia, assist her in the kitchen. Now you might wonder why I said Sadia, Sadia kon ho, Sadia kyu, blah blah blah. Actually, there is not any particular reason as it is a common name in my country, in Bangladesh. That's why I included this one. I incorporated this one. Alright, let's go on. Now, to wrap up your answer, you can end up saying, on the other hand, I am in the charge of grocery and daily shopping. That's all about. If your answer is something like that, bahut acha, you have done tremendously well. Okay, fine. Now, let me give you one more answer. That will be the alternative. Well, in my home, cooking responsibilities are shared among family members. My parents and I take turns preparing meals based on our availability and preferences. It's a collaborative effort and we all contribute to creating delicious and wholesome meals. Moreover, we enjoy experimenting with different recipes and techniques. So, to answer your question, cooking together also provides an opportunity for quality time and bonding. That's all about the answer of this question. Thank you. Alright, now let's look at the screen. What we have spoken so far included here. You can practice these answers and thereafter you can prepare your answers in your own style. Thank you for being with me till the end. Good luck.